Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Yes, 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 please, please, I beg. Hammer time. Hammer time, hammer time. Oh my god. My brain is already stuck because I'm just like, if hammer time, it's here. I can't. Oh my lord. I'm gonna go crazy. Actually, nah, I'm able to do that. Dude, I'm gonna have so much fun, you don't understand. We're gonna both lose our minds. Gosh, hit your shots, man. Like, how do you struggle that bad? You bastard. You can't hit your shots either! What the fuck? It's fucking embarrassing. I should really pick up the golden AR earlier, but nah, I want to try that out with the DMR, you know. I just like the damage, and I like the versatility. Here! No! Oh my god. No. You're so annoying. Wait, what? He's actually fighting? Wait. Huge props, huge respect. Nice rocket, my guy. Don't be a pussy, don't be a pussy. I'm gonna shoot your fucking tire. And to be fair, I'm using the DMR because I have the revolver thingy, which is gonna do just as good. Epic, make this permanent, please. I just love this thing. Oh, come on. Oh, yes, please. Oh, yeah, sure. I go. Why is this guy being so weird? Nice rocket again. Doofus. What am I playing against today? Seriously, drones. I know it's my first game on, but bro. See, and that's why you have a revolver and a DMR high damage and distance and versatile options with the aim in and aim out. It's just kind of nice. That's why I use it. Or at least trying it, should I say, really. Alright. You hit me good. Everyone's just here all of a sudden now. Alright. Am I making myself difficult of not using the ARs? Probably, but are we going to war with it because I want fun? Yes. Am I a bit base for that? Probably, but who gives a shit? I'd like a slurp, though. Slurp would be nice. Slurp would be nice indeed. Oh, that's a bit more better. Ooh, that's also very appreciated. I'm getting out of here. Well, actually, let's do some science. Oh yeah, me big brain. You punk. Bitch. Ah, see you go. Let me reload my stuffy stuff, thank you. Thank you. Oh. get 100 HP, so yep, awesome. Did no one went for this? I can't lie, depending what it is, I will go for it. I'm telling you. I will go for it. I'm a stubborn man when it comes to this. Righty then. Please do not be a weirdo who ever camps here, please. La di da di da. Oh, the position. Nah, I can't be asked with that. That annoys me now. That's alright. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool. I need some kill. Why, have they? Yes, they did. I find it so unfortunate they have a front item like the insect vehicles, right? And we got these cars that are just better than them, straight up. It's upsetting. As it's not just upsetting, it grinds my gears, I swear. Really, sir? Actually. Okay, you haven't even given me what? I was hoping for a slurp. Have they took the slurp over here? I'm assuming so. Yes, I have, but medkit. Alright. Roly poly, I'm coming after you. Oh, actually, no. Roly poly, I'm not coming after you. That's even better than you, which is unfortunate. Bro, where is everybody? Literally no one. Mountain? I never come across such a weird zone. Oh, you know what? I don't usually... Oh god. Okay. I don't usually do this, but so then... Oh. You're in a bush, my guy. Oh, there's a guy on the mountain too. Alright. Now these guys are rats. Oh, it's the bush guy, is it? This is awkward. Nope. Oh, come on. How did I survive that? I got no clue. I'm God. Oh, I kind of like this area. Even though I barely see it. This is kind of nice. Oh, I did hit. Okay, I was about to say I don't hit those, it seems, but what? Where? Didn't even see him. Okay, buddy. Wow, you're unlikable. You really are. What are these fights? I got no idea today. It's confusing me. Right. Ah, stupid tree. Alright. He took a launch pad. I got no idea about these zones, but they exist. Yeah. No way you're challenging me like this. I might as well waste it. What? Where? You? I remember you. You were that weird. I mean, I got free rotation, so I'm good. Right, he got killed with ease. Well, not killed with ease, but damage. He's 48 tagged. great, not great. I'm dead. I'm not dead. Grab that. Oh no! I'm alive, I got no idea. What are these zones? Ah, yeah, well done. Yay. Well done.